Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. The music is very loud. We are still in Dulali. This is the third review. Maybe, I don't know how many more we'll do. I still have Himanshi with me. We are reviewing, what is this? The Belgian wheat beer. 5 Belgian wheat beers are usually less than 5%, around 4 to 4.8% ABV. Wheat beer, little bit of orange, little bit of coriander is what it usually is. 330 ml, 330 rupees. Now, what were we talking about in the last thing? Something about relationships. We already had that conversation. we were going to rate love lives out of 10.
Out of 10, okay.
Yeah, sorry, out of 100. Mine is still, I think, at a 9 right now. I don't know if it'll improve. I don't think girls want to date an alcoholic. I'm not an alcoholic. Yours is at a 0.
Yeah.
Have you ever signed up to a arranged marriage registry? Has your family ever said that,
Listen, more than my family, my friend went and took my phone and downloaded Jeevan Sati, made a profile, saw the options, and she's like, delete. This is not what you want. I'm like, see, now you know.
You're a Gujarati.
Yes.
Is it like that you have to marry a Gujarati? If we fall in love with someone and if we think that's our soulmate and they're treating us right and then I think it's fine.
I think that's what matters.
Yeah.
That you don't have to look at religion or how much money that person makes or anything, nothing. Yeah, my mom would disagree. Money is the first thing.
You have to.
Also, I also a little bit 5% think money just matters. You can't be broke.
Yeah, you can't be broke.
But having said that, it's like
Does height matter?
it's funny you say that.
Why?
Because I just met someone that is little shorter, an inch shorter than me.
Okay.
Very, very, very sweet.
So you're giving him a
But-
chance.
I've met him once, and I feel like I'm judging if I don't give him another chance. So
You'll
am
judge
going-
yourself. You'll be like, oh, what kind of a person am I?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
he opens doors for me and pulls chairs and all of that. I'm like, listen, very sweet, very respectful, but it's short.
So I think 93% of my viewers are kind of like men, 93 or 95. So if there are like more women audience I get, it's a good advice to women and men in general. If you are short, be funny,
Yes.
be very mannerful, be good mannered, treat a woman right, but don't treat them too well because
What do you mean?
or like if a guy is too nice, it's not nice being too nice.
I agree.
Yeah, don't be nice and you respect her. Respect women, but you don't have to be boringly nice.
Yeah, there's a difference.
Yeah, don't be-
Nice and boring nice.
Alright, this is not a podcast. We review beers, so we're going to do that. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good, but it's I feel it's too soda-y. Like it's like too much soda
Yeah.
flavor. It's more fizzy, but it's like too soda-y.
Yeah.
And the sourness is not.
I feel like it's a little diluted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's not the best sourness. It's like a diluted sourness.
Yeah.
You get a lot of wheat flavor, but it's like good because it's a wheat beer.
Yeah.
So you should have wheat flavor. I'll take one more. But it's very light. It's not bitter at all.
It's not.
It's not. So
It's lighter than the previous one.
you're having some. I hope they can hear me over this. Use somebody like this music. It's like 4 o'clock. Why is the music so loud?
They're going through it.
Yeah. It's again, if you're coming here, if you're having some of the spicy, they have this spicy Korean chicken over here. If you're having some spicy food, then it's a good beer to have.
Yeah.
But just a wheat beer on its own, it's kind of, it's all right.
Yeah, this is not something I would go for.
Yeah. Yeah,
If
not
I
over
come
here.
here,
Yeah.
yeah.
You've got many better. Like we just had the Nipa,
Yeah.
which is kind of like a wheat beer. Not exactly, but it's like a better and a much more flavorful beer. So I think you'd probably go for the Nipa.
Yeah.
Chug, you're gonna try on this?
Let me get where you are.
Hope I said everything. 330 ml, 330 rupees. 4.2 to 4.8% ABV. Okay, I think I said all of this. Oh, you're doing it? Alright. Remember, we are not alcoholics. We're not alcoholics, we're just doing this for you. It's fizzy. This one's more fizzy, so I kind of burp. Usually I don't burp so much. Oh, Coldplay. Coldplay is doing a show in Ahmedabad.
Yeah, I just saw.
Yeah, Narendra Modi
25th
Stadium.
Jan.
I'm wondering why don't they do shows in like Motera, Narendra Modi Stadium, because that's the biggest stadium. The only issue is you don't get alcohol.
That's the biggest issue.
Okay, but DY Patil, when 50 Cent came to Bombay, DY Patil has a hospital next door. So they were not offering any alcohol, or you can't smoke cigarettes or anything over there anyway. So was it like, it doesn't make
I
a
might sound a little dumb, but otherwise, is alcohol available in Ahmedabad?
Okay, so here's how to get alcohol in Ahmedabad. You have to be an alcoholic. You need a doctor's certificate saying that yes, you're an alcoholic and you need alcohol to. Because if you're an alcoholic, it's like an actual medical issue.
Are you being serious right
Yeah,
now?
yeah. And then, or you're an NRI and you need a permit, and then you can buy. And if you're coming from out of town, you need to make a card and you can buy it from a store. Although if you're just coming, like if you're going from Bombay to Ahmedabad, it's much tougher to buy alcohol over there. I don't think you can, mainly for NRIs. If you need like a American passport out of India.
I feel like you're joking.
No, you can. There are stores in Ahmedabad which sell alcohol. And of course you can get it in black.
Anyway, my point was.
There was. Okay, I'll tell you a story of Ahmedabad. A guy was in a rickshaw. It was late at night. I don't know if he was drunk or like what. He tells the rickshaw guy, you know, I want to buy alcohol. So the rickshaw guy stops. And there's like a police thing. And he asks the police over there, that where can I get alcohol? Police slaps the rickshaw wala. Alliya tene khabar nahi padti. Yahan to made je alcohol. So you can get it if you know. You can get it. I will not. I'm not. This might be a fictional story. I'm going to put an asterisk. It might be fictional. I don't want the Ahmedabad police to like.
I don't think it's real. It's fine. Yeah.
So Himanshi, Belgian with beer. I have not taken a thing of any of this. We have to like.
Will it shown properly or reversed?
I'll reverse it in post. So Belgian wheat beer discovered by pious monks 700 years ago, sending good people to purgatory ever since. Right. Rated out of 100. It's been so long since I finished this glass, I forgot my rating.
You want to try mine?
No, have it.
My rating. Last one I gave for 95.
You gave it that 95, Nipa. Your first thing was 80, then 95.
This is 90.
90? Okay. Her score is 90 for this. I thought you said you didn't like it.
I think it's after having two, maybe your opinion changes. So I'll stick to 80. 80 is good.
You can't change your scores. You can't be like on 90, 80.
Fine, 90 is okay.
So what's Hogarden then? 100 for you?
No. This is.
This is better than Hogarden for you?
No. I like Hogarden better. That's why I'm saying 80.
Okay. Dulali Belgian with beer. For me, it's good, but it's a bit kind of, like she said, it was a bit diluted. The sourness doesn't hit right. It's still good if you're having some spicy food over here if you do not want a bitter beer. I'll give it a 69 out of 100. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.